Everyone's obsessed with side hustles right now. Dropshipping, digital products, content creation, flipping Amazon boxes in your garage, all promising freedom and a fat bank account. But what if I told you that the real opportunity online doesn't look like a business at all? It looks like a single web page. No products, no warehouse, no customer service line. Just a quiet little link sitting on the internet, working harder than most people's jobs. Here's what I mean. Every day, the internet runs on millions of tiny pages doing one simple thing really well. A calculator, a reminder tool, a scheduler, a mini tracker. One page, one function, endless users. And here's the thing most people miss. Every one of those pages could be paying rent to someone. The page that automatically turns meeting notes into summaries, someone owns that. The site that helps artists name their online store, owned. The one that helps small shops calculate shipping costs instantly, owned. You visit, you use it, you leave, and somewhere, someone just earned a few bucks. That's the new version of digital real estate. Instead of renting apartments, you rent usefulness. And it's way cheaper to build than a house. No mortgage, no down payment, no broken water heater at 2 a.m. Just one small tool that people find helpful enough to come back to again and again. You might be thinking, but I don't know how to build stuff. Here's the secret. Most people who make money from these pages didn't either. They just got curious enough to use free tools to bring an idea to life. The world doesn't reward the busiest person anymore. It rewards the person who builds the little page everyone else depends on. And the craziest part, you don't even need to invent something new. You just need to notice something people already do online and give them a shorter way to do it. Because online, attention isn't the asset anymore. Convenience is. If you can give someone back 10 seconds of their life, they'll thank you with their wallet. That's why one-page tools are exploding. They spread faster than big startups because people can use them instantly. No learning curve, no sales pitch, just value. And over time, that value compounds. One user becomes 10, 10 becomes 100, and suddenly that page you made one weekend is covering your rent. People call it passive income, but it's really just smart ownership. You own a corner of the internet that keeps paying you back. And the more helpful your page becomes, the more stable that rent check feels. Think about it. Most people spend their days working on someone else's page, their employer's website, their boss's app, their client's system. But what happens when you own the page instead? When your link is the one people can't live without? That's not a side hustle anymore. That's a paycheck you built once that keeps showing up. So before you start your next big idea, try something small. One page, one purpose, one problem that doesn't even need a full business to fix. Because in this new digital economy, you don't need to go big to win. You just need to own something small that the world quietly uses every day. And that one page might just pay you better than your job ever did.